Hi everyone, my name is Mustafa. My surname is Muluk. I am a 20 years old. I live in Hatay province of the Turkey. Hatay is the most southern part of the Turkey. I am a university student. My university name is Mersin University. This is my second year and my faculty is medicine faculty. I chose the medicine faculty because I'm learning human relationships and teammate and absolutely satisfying job. Yes. My hobbies is sightseeing, swimming, reading a book and playing football games. By the way, Sherlock Holmes is my favorite book series. My work experience is I worked as a cashier in the petrol station for last 2 summers. I am responsible for this reason I can learn a lot of job in a short time. Okay, I want to go to USA, but why? Because I want to make new friends, I want to see new culture, new country, and absolutely new memories. This is important. This is my dream. Thank you watching to me.